Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Sikaflex alternatives for mounting solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality and performance. Whether you're mounting panels on an RV, boat, or off-grid setup, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the BougeRV Flexible Solar Panel Waterproof Butyl Rubber Tape. This product is a unique and versatile option for mounting flexible solar panels. The tape is 3.98 inches wide and extends 32.8 feet long, making it ideal for installing two 100W flexible solar panels or a single 200W panel. Its strong adhesion to various materials like polyethylene, PVC, and alloy steel makes it a great choice for smooth surfaces such as RV roofs or boats. The installation process is straightforward. Just clean the surfaces, measure and cut the tape, and adhere the panel. However, removing the tape post-installation may leave some residue, so keep that in mind. When it comes to design and build quality, the butyl rubber material ensures excellent water resistance and durability. It's corrosion-resistant and built to withstand harsh weather conditions, making it a long-lasting option. However, it's important to note that this product is specifically designed for flexible solar panels, so it may not be suitable for traditional rigid solar mounts. The BougeRV butyl rubber tape offers a niche solution for specific use cases, particularly for those who prefer a drill-free installation method. While it lacks the versatility of traditional mounting brackets, it's a great choice for users looking to mount flexible panels securely. Pros include its weather resistance, strong adhesion, and ease of installation, while cons include limited compatibility and potential adhesive residue. At number 4, we have the Sunway Solar Panel Mounting Brackets Corner Mount Kits. This kit is designed to be a universal solution for mounting framed solar panels on RVs, caravans, boats, and more. It accommodates panels of various sizes and frame thicknesses up to 40 millimeters, making it compatible with a wide range of brands, including Renogy and EcoWorthy. The kit includes 4 corner mounts and 2 side mounts, offering a secure installation that helps lift the solar panel for better air circulation, which can reduce power loss due to overheating. The build quality is impressive, featuring high-strength ABS plastic that is UV-resistant and capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions. The design allows for both drill-free and drilled installation methods, giving users flexibility in their setup. However, while the brackets are durable, they may not be the best solution for heavy-duty or commercial applications. This product provides a solid middle ground between affordability and functionality. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and those looking for an easy-to-install option for lightweight solar panels. Pros include its universal compatibility, durable construction, and improved airflow design. And the downside, it might not handle heavier panels as well as some of the other options on our list. Taking the number 3 spot is the weatherproof ABS Solar Double Cable Entry Gland by Link Solar. While this product focuses on cable management, it's an essential component for solar panel installations, especially on RVs, campervans, and boats. Its PG7 waterproof cable glands are compatible with cables ranging from 2 mm squared to 6 mm squared, making it versatile for solar panels, DC power, aerials, and more. The design allows for easy installation with either Sikaflex adhesives or stainless steel screws, giving users multiple options depending on their preferences and needs. In terms of design and build quality, the ABS plastic construction ensures durability, UV resistance, and weatherproofing. The entry gland is compact and lightweight, making it unobtrusive while still providing a secure and practical solution for routing cables. It's especially useful for minimizing leaks and protecting your wiring over time. This product is ideal for those looking to tidy up and protect their solar panel installations. While it's not a complete mounting solution, it's an excellent accessory to pair with other mounting options. Pros include its versatility, durable build, and weather resistance. The only con is that it's not a standalone mounting system, so additional brackets or adhesives are required for full installation. At number 2, we have the Renogy Corner Bracket Solar Panel Roof Drill-Free Mount. As the most budget-friendly option on our list, this mounting kit combines affordability with functionality. It's made from high-quality, UV-resistant ABS plastic, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. Designed for lightweight panels, this drill-free mount is perfect for aluminum-framed solar panels and works well on flat surfaces like RV roofs, boats, and more. The standout feature here is its ease of installation. With no drilling required, it minimizes the risk of roof leaks, making it a great choice for RV owners and other users concerned about maintaining the integrity of their roofs. However, the brackets may not be as robust as some of the more premium options, which could limit their use for larger or heavier panels. This product is best suited for users on a budget who own small to medium-sized solar panels. While it may lack the versatility and durability of higher-end options, it's a reliable choice for casual users. Pros include its affordability, lightweight design, and drill-free installation. The cons are its lower weight capacity and limited compatibility with larger panels. Finally, at number 1, we have the BougeRV 16-unit solar panel mounting bracket kits. This premium option is designed for heavy-duty applications, accommodating solar panels ranging from 50W to 1200W. The Z-shaped brackets are made from corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, offering both strength and lightweight construction. This makes them ideal for irregular surfaces like RV roofs, trailers, boats, and off-grid setups. The bent design also provides a slight lift, improving airflow to reduce overheating and enhance panel efficiency. In terms of design and build quality, the anodized finish ensures long-lasting durability, even in harsh conditions. The brackets are easy to install and come with an 18-month warranty, giving users peace of mind. The kit includes 16 brackets, making it a versatile solution for larger installations or multiple panels. However, the higher price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the BougeRV Z brackets are the best choice for those seeking a premium, long-lasting solution for mounting large solar panels. Pros include their durable construction, wide compatibility, and excellent performance in reducing panel temperatures. The only con is the higher price, but the quality and versatility more than justify the cost. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best mounting solution for your solar panels. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.